learning about the grading of milk, and that is a milk microbiology experiment by using a dye which is similar to the previous practical, that is your MBRT, which you have seen already, and this dye is your Resazurin dye. So this Resazurin dye, as you know, is a blue dye itself, and it becomes a irreversible pink color, that is your Resafurin, and if there is microbial contamination in milk, then the dye further becomes colorless, and that is hydroxyresafurin. Okay, so these are the requirements. As you can see, for your experiment you will require 4 tubes A, B, C, D, and this is your control boiled milk sample, whereas your A will be your milk which is pasteurized and left out overnight. B is the milk which is in the refrigeration condition, that is 4 degrees. Then C is your milk which is at freezing temperatures or in the minus 20 or your minus in the freezing conditions. Okay, it could be minus 20, it could be minus 4 degrees, and these are your samples. Okay, so this is your control, which is your boiled milk. Then this is your 4 degrees milk, this is your frozen milk which was in the freezer overnight, and this is the milk that was pasteurized and left at room temperature overnight. Alright, and this is your dye Resazurin. As you can see, I am drawing 10 ml from the control milk sample, which is your boiled milk sample, and I am transferring it into the test tube labeled D, that is your control tube. Transferring aseptically 10 ml of your refrigerated sample, which was at 4 degrees, into the test tube labeled as B. So as you can see, I am transferring aseptically around 10 ml of the milk sample, which was kept in the minus temperatures, that is the freezing temperature, into the test tube labeled as C. Finally, we are transferring aseptically 10 ml of the sample of your milk sample, which was kept at room temperature overnight, into the test tube labeled as A. So there is difficulty in transferring this because already the milk has curdled owing to the microbial growth. Next step after transferring the different milk samples into their respectively labeled tubes is addition of the dye. So as I said, I am going to be adding 1 ml of Resazurin dye, which is itself blue in color, into each of these tubes. So if you notice, I am not touching the contents of the tubes. If I do, I will have to change the tips. Okay, and now we will be gently vortexing these tubes, or mixing it rather, with our hands. The next step is to transfer this into a water bath, before which don't forget to close the lids of your tubes. So we are going to turn off the burners and then transfer the tubes which have the milk samples and the dye Resazurin into a previously heated water bath at 37 degrees until we observe a color change. So as you can see, students, with after few minutes of keeping the tubes in the 37 degrees incubator, there is already a significant color change. As you can notice in test tube A, there is already a pinkish color which is nothing but Resafurin, okay, which is the intermediate component. Now if you incubate these tubes further, the color change will be observed because of the microbial growth and the increase in hydrogen. So the hydrogen will be there in this tube and it will be hydroxy Resafurin, which is completely colorless, okay, whereas these tubes are blue in color because of the inherent color of the dye Resazurin, and therefore the color has not changed, indicating that the microbes are not a lot or they might be negligible in these tubes, whereas here you can see a prominent color change. So we will wait and we will check the final result after longer incubation period at 37 degrees Celsius. So on the completion of this experiment, you can observe a very characteristic color change which is seen in these test tubes. So you can see the negligible bacterial count in the test tube, which is a boiled milk in the control, C, which is the milk that was kept at minus temperatures or the freezing temperatures, and B, which was the milk kept at refrigeration temperatures at 4 degrees. All of them have extremely less microbial count, as in the control, which is your D label test tube, has no bacterial growth because it was boiled. So these have remained unchanged because the Resazurin in them have not been reduced, okay, they are as it is and they are inherently blue in color. Whereas you can see the test tube labeled A, there is a complete color change from blue to pink, which was your conversion of Resazurin to hydroxy Resazurin in this stage with an intermediate of Resafurin present inside. So this pink color was because of Resafurin and this is because of hydroxy Resafurin, which is due to the increase in number of bacterial contamination that has led to the reduction of this dye Resazurin. Okay, so this is a result that we have seen. Kindly observe the tubes and the color change. So I hope you have understood that these two dyes are used as a milk grading dye. Thank you.